Hi everyone, my name is Ariel Clark and I am TPA's Manager of Education and Practice Development. This is high quality paper. Education. Education is a large part of our life as pharmacy professionals. From our initial schooling to continuing education, it's a requirement that we stay up to date on pharmacy-specific training and education. TPA offers numerous opportunities to gain CE hours through webinars, virtual meetings, workshops, and in-person meetings, like our annual winter and summer meetings. We even offer ACPE-accreditation for CPE programs through the Tennessee Pharmacists Consortium for Education. These opportunities would not be possible without the support of our donors and sponsors. As we give you the gift of education, we hope that you will give us the gift of making a donation today or checking out our opportunities for sponsorship that might be available for you.